Okay, chapter 7-4 notes is the slope of a line. So we're going to find the steepness or the slantedness of a line. Okay, a positive slope looks similar to this. And when we were doing the 6 cousins, Money Matters, Mei, Ling, Tam, all those people, positive slope was saving money. This was negative slope or spending money. Negative slope until they ended up with 0 money. So this is positive slope, the saving money, and this one's negative slope, and that's spending money. We have 2 new slopes. We have this one, and this one is a 0 slope. And the second new one we have is this kind. And this one's called no slope or undefined. So it can show up either way. No slope or undefined. Okay, slope is the rise over the run. So either how much money people were spending per day or how much people were saving per day, if we're thinking back to Money Matters. There is a formula that we can use for it though without graphing, and that formula is y of the second point minus y of the first point divided by x of the second point minus x of the first point. So let's go ahead and highlight that. We're going to be using that formula for today's classwork. Okay, example 1 is graph and find the slope of the line. So we're going to make a graph. And find the steepness of this slope. So negative 4, 2 is right here. And 2, negative 3 is right here. Okay, so there's the line that goes between those 2 points. And we want to find the rise over run. So it went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Went down 5 spaces. And went over 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So the slope of this line, and you can see it's negative, it's spending money, is negative 5 over 6. So it went down 5 and over 6. So this person is spending $5 every 6 days. Okay, in example 2, we need to find the slope of the line that contains these 2 points. Now we can graph it and find the slope, or we can use the formula. The formula was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, we have 2 points. This is the first point. So this is x of the first point, y of the first point. 3, 5 is our second point. So that's x of the second point, y of the second point. So these little numbers right here just mean what point it is. So 1, 1 is the first point, 3, 5 is the second point. We're going to plug these numbers into the formula. So y2 is 5 minus y1 is 1. Okay, and over, let's see now, x2 is 3 minus x1 is 1. Okay, so all we did was plug in the numbers into the formula. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So the slope is 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the slope is 4 over 2, but I can reduce that to just regular 2. So the slope is 2. So that means this person is saving $2 per day. Okay, example 3, find the slope of y equals 4. Alright, if we make a table for this, because this is a little different, y equals 4 means that y is always 4. So it doesn't matter what x is, y is always 4. So we'll use x as 0, 1, and 2. So if we graph this, 0, 4 is here, 1, 4 is here, oops, 2, 4, let me make that right. 2, 4 is here. Okay, so this is y equals 4. And if you notice that, that makes a 0 slope. So whenever you make a y equals, the slope is going to be 0. Okay, example 4, find the slope of x equals negative 3. So we're going to make a graph, make a table. And on this one, x is always negative 3. So x is negative 3, x is negative 3, x is negative 3. And we'll make the y 0, 1, 2. So now if we graph this, negative 3, 0 is right here. Negative 3, 1 is right here. Negative 3, 2 is right here. And this makes a no slope line, or undefined. So anytime you have x equals, you end up with a no slope.